They've only played a handful of games this season, but the Ishpeming boys basketball team can be proud of the swagger they play with on the defensive end of the floor. The Hematites were at home tonight taking on conference foe Norway. First quarter, the Knights keeping things close. Randy Mueller hits Austin Gravold with a perfect pass. Gravold hits the hoop, and he was fouled. Free throw good, and the Knights led by 3. Later in the first, here's that Ishpeming defense. Bobby Zolke looking like the cornerback on the football team with the steal and the pick 6 the other way. It only counts as 2. Ishpeming back to within 1. Norway stayed out in front early with some great passing once again. Isaac Bray throws the backdoor pass to Don Gravold Jr., who banks it off the window and in for 2. He led Norway with 11. Ishpeming tries to keep up here. Eric DeCare for the triple. The game was tied at 10 after 1. Second quarter, Ishpeming up 2. Joey Lyle would hit the quick shot inside, putting the Hematites up by 4. Lyle finished with 19 points, 13 rebounds, a double-double off the bench. The Ishpeming defense held Norway to just 13 points in the second half, winning the game 47-29. To the scoreboards we go. Marquette wins by 20 at Iron Mountain. Larry Burnett had 15 points to lead the Redmen. Menominee wins a conference game at home over Escanaba, 60-46. Houghton gets 24 points from Brian LaBerge as the Gremlins win 66-50 over Lance. Hancock doubles up Berga 60-30. The Copper Kings defense holds Ontonagon to just 36 points as Calumet wins by 14. West Aaron County gets 19 points from Austin Wara and a 26-point road win at Florence. Back to the highlights. After canceling the game back in December because of the weather, Gladstone and Westwood played their makeup game. Gladstone worked the paint in this game. Jared Hunter with a short pass to Michael Cretens, who absorbs the contact and makes the shot. Braves took a 2-point lead. Ryan Rico not happy with the D early. Gladstone continued to work the ball inside. Jared Buxton would score on his second attempt, and the Braves took a 4-point lead. Westwood looking for offense. Get it here. Stretch the floor with a long pass. Luke Gray to Luke Woods for 2, and the Luke-to-Luke connection pulls Westwood to within 2. David Dykowski scores on the reverse putback, giving the Braves a 7-point lead. Westwood made a comeback in the fourth, pulling to within 1 point with 4 minutes to go, but the Braves pulled away to win by 10. In other boys high school hoops action this evening, Lake Linden Hubbell's Tyler Roos scored 29 points in the Lake Linden Hubbell's double-digit win over Chassell. Ewan Trout Creek also a winner in Wisconsin, 60-48 over Hurley. And in Powers, North Dickinson and North Central played 2 extra sessions as the Nordics pull out the 4-point win in double OT. It was Park River Harris over Republic Michigami, 51-41, and Kearney Nadeau wins big at Big Bay de Noc, 84-47. In girls high school basketball, Westwood had the lead at halftime before Manistique pulled away late to win by 8. Forest Park wins big over Mid-Peninsula. Lexi Gussert finished with 29 points, 17 rebounds, and either 9 or 10 assists, according to head coach Jeff Surgeon. Still a great night either way for Miss Gussert. And Ewan Trout Creek defeated Bessemer 53-25.